And we're back. In this video, I'm going to explain how to add and edit text in a web page. For the most part, if you know how to do this with a word processor, you won't have much trouble with it in KompoZer. In particular, adding new text is very similar to how it's done in most word processing software. Your cursor starts here at the top left of the page. You start typing, and text shows up. Now, if you want to move the cursor, it's exactly like how you're used to. Spaces, tabs, and character terms. Now, formatting text is also fairly basic and should be familiar to most users. Fonts, different indentations, left, center, right aligned, and justified, and bold, italic, and underlined are all exactly like how you're used to. There are, however, a few distinctions that might cause someone new to web design a bit of confusion. In particular, it's more difficult to specify an exact font size using KompoZer. Rather than specifying a numeric size, you'll want to use the grow and shrink font size buttons here. Now, in general, it's a good idea to keep a constant font size throughout a web document, so you probably won't toy much with these. However, KompoZer also provides a few basic font formats called headings, which are available in a drop-down menu on the toolbar here. As you see, they run from heading 1 through heading 6. These are useful for denoting new sections and new subsections by using bold and different size text to delineate the content. Now, since we're just starting out with a sample page, let's keep it fairly simple. How about a heading with our name, intro paragraph, and a bolded list with our hobbies? So, we'll start out with H1, the largest heading. Make sure you switch back to body text. Mine does it automatically. And just type something about yourself. And a few of your hobbies. Now, let's see what this looks like in an actual web browser. Save your work either by hitting Control S, we're going up to the Save option, then going up to the Browse button here and clicking. Now, it should open up your default web browser and show you what your file looks like in it. Well, congratulations, you created your first web page.